Dear students, today I want to discuss about the leukemia reaction, which will you get in many conditions, which is confused with acute leukemia. Now, what do you mean by leukemia reaction? Leukemia reaction means peripheral blood film resembles leukemia, but patient does not have leukemia. That is, peripheral blood film shows marked elevation of total WBC count, more than 50,000 per cubic millimeter, or presence of immiscible white cells on board. So it resembles, if you examine the peripheral blood film and if you get these features, you may confuse with person suffering from acute leukemia. But when you examine the baby, you examine the child, you may not get the lymphadenopathy, hepatosplenomegaly, severe pallor, and bony tenderness. Now classifications: myeloid leukemia reaction, lymphoid leukemia reaction, and mixed. In myeloid leukemia reaction, there is myeloblast, myeloid cell are increased. In lymphoid leukemia reaction, lymphoblast or leukemia cell are lymphocyte are increased, and mixed there is myeloid and lymphoid cells. In myeloid leukemia reaction, you may get this picture is present in the septicemia or severe bacterial infection such as shigellosis, meningococcemia, disseminated TB, stimulate AML. The WBC count more than 1 lakh. So in shigellosis, if you do the peripheral blood film, if you get the WBC count 40,000 to 50,000, and if you get the blood cell, you may confuse with patient suffering from leukemia. But if you examine the child, their pallor is absent, no lymphadenopathy, no hepatosplenomegaly, no bony tenderness. And this myeloid leukemia reaction may also found in the acute hemolysis following splenectomy, trauma, burn, and surgery. In leukemia reaction and lymphoid leukemia reaction, it present in the infection mononucleosis, pertussis, measles, chickenpox, and disseminated tuberculosis. So in pertussis, if a patient diagnoses pertussis, if you will do the complete blood count along with peripheral blood film study, in that case you will get the WBC count more than 50,000, and you will get some blood cell in the peripheral blood film. And if you examine the baby, there is no pallor, there is no lymphadenopathy, there is no hepatosplenomegaly, there is no bony tenderness. Now diagnosis. How can you diagnose the leukemia reaction? From clinical features depends on causative agent, such as if patients are suffering from shigellosis, chickenpox, whooping cough, there is manifestation of such diseases. But in case of leukemia, there is organomegaly, hemorrhage are common. Pallor absent or mild in case of leukemia reaction, but it is moderate to severe. Moderate to severe in case of uh, leukemia. Now, if you do the investigation, there is complete blood hemoglobin normal or slightly reduced, total count moderately increased, platelet count normal or increased. If you do the peripheral blood film, RBC, nucleated RBC may present, WBC, immiscible WBC, the myelocyte 5 to 50% and blood cell 5%. And toxic injury in the infected cases in leukemia, usually this present is absent. In bone marrow study, mild to moderate white cell hyperplasia. In blood cell 5% or less in case of leukemia reaction, but in leukemia hyperplastic with potentially a large proportion of immiscible cells. Now leukemia reaction and leukemia clinical features of causative disorders such as shigellosis, chickenpox, whooping cough, disseminated tuberculosis, and leukemia there is severe pallor, hepatosplenomegaly, lymphadenopathy, mucocutaneous bleeding, bony tenderness. And investigation, total count moderately increase, not more than 1 lakh per cubic millimeter, and in case of leukemia it exceeds more than 1 lakh per cubic millimeter. And immiscible cells, there are few or moderately increased myelocyte, not more than 5 to 50% blood cells, 5%. In leukemia, they are numerous. In leukemia reaction, WBC morphology toxic change in the infective cases, But in leukemia, the atypical immune cells, toxic changes uncommon. In hemoglobin percent, normal or slightly reduced, present and rapidly progressive. In nucleated RBC, in leukemia reaction, present in leukoerythroblastic anemia due to marrow infiltration, and leukemia less frequent. If you do the platelet count, normal or increase in cut of leukemia reaction, but in leukemia it is reduced. In bone marrow, if you do the bone marrow biopsy and bone marrow study, white cell hyperplasia but not to the same degree to the leukemia. But in case of leukemia, there is hyperplastic with large number of immune cells, usually more than 25%. If you in autopsy, infiltration of organs and tissues, leukemic infiltration of organ and tissues. So these are the differentiating point between the leukemia reaction and leukemia. Sometimes this problem face in daily practices. Thank you.